In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a camera timer on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, of course, open up your camera, and now there you need to do the following. You need to hit on that arrow up icon right there at the top, or you can just swipe up to open up that menu. So by default it's that functions here, but you can swipe up to bring up some extra functions, and timer option is right there. You can tap on that, and there you got three options. Now by default timer is off, and you can set it to 3 seconds or to 10 seconds. I'll select 3 seconds. This icon was appeared. It says that now timer option is on, and it's set to 3 seconds. I can hit on record button. I got a countdown there, 3 2 1, and shoot. And now I can right there check the photo, open up the gallery, and here I see that this photo was successfully taken. So guys, that's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.